Good day everyone, my name is Jerson Daniel Angeles from 3W Math1. Today, I have two topics to discuss. My first topic is basic HTML elements and tags. So first, what are HTML elements and tags? Now, HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the standard language for creating web pages. An HTML document is made up of elements which are defined by tags. Tags are the building blocks of HTML. They are enclosed in an angle brackets. Element consists of a start tag, content, and an end tag. So here are my basic example of HTML elements and tags. First one is HTML tag. Defines the root of an HTML. Head tag. Contains meta information about the document. Body tag. Contains the content of document. Title tag. Sets the title of the web page shown in the browser tab. Here are some more examples of HTML tags. Heading tags defines headings. Then paragraph tag defines a paragraph. Then an anchor tag. An anchor tag creates hyperlinks. So as you can see in this image, the anchor tag or the ahref with this example becomes a link in a web page. Then an image tag, it embeds an image. With this tag, we can embed an image to our website. Then a div tag. A div tag defines a division or a section in a document. Now for my second topic is the CSS properties and values. So what is CSS? CSS is a cascading style sheet it is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in an HTML or XML. CSS controls the layout of multiple web pages all at once. So I have a few examples of CSS properties and values. So in this example is the back shadow and text shadow. So the back shadows add shadow effects around the element. So this is the back shadow. Then the text shadow adds shadow effects to the text. So we can see a red shadow behind the text. And then for another example is the flexbox and filter. Flexbox is a layout model that allows for responsive design with flexible layouts. So Flexbox allows our design to be flexible so that our divs or our images in it or whatever we want to put will be flexible in design. Then the filter applies graphical effects like blur or brightness to elements. So as you can see, our first div or container right here has the color of blue and white. Then when we have this filter properties, it becomes gray. And that is all my example for CSS properties and values. Thank you for listening.